Hi, my name is Christian Golden, and my instructor is Miss Cori Rambach. I'm going to be going over how physics has been incorporated um, in video games over time, but basically, I want to focus more on one video game. It's called Battlefield, and I haven't played the first or second one. I actually started on the third, so I'm just going to start because I'm not sure if this concept was incorporated in the first two. So I'm focusing more on Battlefield 3 and I guess Battlefield 4 to come. So to start off with, games such as Pong, or ping pong, all kinds of sports like football, baseball, um, the concept of gravity acting on an object moving horizontally, a projectile, um, has been incorporated in those games. Like when a quarterback throws the football, it'll make an arc or a parabola, and it'll hit his target. Where if he aims accordingly and makes those adjustments, adding in gravity and wind resistance, and so in Battlefield, not only are the bullets being affected by gravity, but also the destruction. Like if you blow up a building, all kinds of the particles and projectiles from that building will fall according to gravity, and when they bounce, the same thing. You get the arc, and physics is used in that sort of way. But with the bullet drop, basically, if you're aiming at a target, we're going to use the example of sniper rifle. I'm using the sniper rifle, and I'm aiming at a target. If he's stationary, I'm going to need to aim just a little bit, and I'm going to be aiming for the head. So I needed to aim just a tad above his head, taking into account the gravitational pull on the bullet. And I've drawn a little diagram just for people who aren't gamers. This is the first person view. The reticule, I just need to adjust it upward just a tad, and I should hit my target, taking into account the gravitational pull. And here's an example of the arc, a parabola of the bullet with the bullet drop. And lastly, also for moving targets, this target is going to be in the camera. It's going to be running to the left. What I need to take into account is giving the target some lead room, which means I'm going to aim out a little bit in front of the target, as well as taking into account the gravitational pull on the bullet. So a little bit in front of the target and a little bit above his head. So here's another picture of that. So a little bit in front of his destination and a little bit above his head, and I should hit that target as well. And basically that's it. I just wanted to talk about how physics have been incorporated in my degree program, which is game art. I'm not really sure which section I'll go into, but it's cool to know that physics are basically a part of every part of your life. So that's my spiel. Again, it's Christian Golden, and my instructor is Cori Rambach. Thanks for your time.